Hello everyone and welcome to the Flying Cork TX. So I'm going to be heading out to the Texas Hill Country to meet with some Texas winemakers, and I just wanted to take a moment to show you how I'm going to find my way out there using the Texas Wine Lover mobile app. So let's take a look. You're going to access the Texas Wine Lover mobile app. All right, so when it first opens up, it opens up in this list view, and we're going to come back to this list view in just one moment. Right now, I want to show you the map view first. And you can see in the little blue dot right here where I am. Oop, that took me way too out here. Here we go. In the Hutto area, northeast of Austin. And we're going to be going all the way out here to Johnson, City High, Stonewall area. We're going to be coming all out here. So, that being said, let's go back to the list view. And you can see all these little numbers here on this map real quick are wineries and tasting rooms and such. So there's no shortage of those in the Texas area. Let's go to view list. Back to the list here. So in the list here, it shows you numerous different wineries, 12 Fires, Seven Creeks, Abastras, Adega Vino, and so on, and so on, and so on. The list is long. But this weekend, I'm actually going to be staying at the Tent City, the glamping tents at 12 Fires Winery and Vineyard. Happens to be right here, almost at the top. So if we tap on any of those, that is going to bring us to loads of information on 12 Fires Winery. Where they are, you can go to Shop Wines. That will take you to their website. You can call more details. It's got their hours of operation here. There's a link to their branchoutglamping.com site where you can reserve the tents, and it shows those prices. If you see this picture here, this photograph, on the opposite side of the view of the tasting room right there is their tent city. And this particular stage area outside seating is going to be wonderful in the spring, especially with the live music that they're having on Sundays and such. So this is pretty awesome. Let's take a look at the map and get our directions from where I am. So 290, let's hit get directions. This uses Google Maps, which is great. That's more accurate. It first brings up the distance. Look, we got 1 hour and 28 minutes. Now I'm going to say maybe closer to 2 hours, depending on the time that I'm leaving, due to traffic and such. As I get closer to outside of southeast Austin, there's a lot of road construction going on there. So let's hit start, and off we go. So it gives us the directions, and she's going to chime in, and I'll be going to 12 Fires. So I can do my check-in and start meeting with the winery. We'll see you out there.